Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about the MSI Alpha 15 AMD based gaming notebook. So friend, MSI unveiled two models of laptops, one of which is AMD's Full HD gaming notebook PC Alpha 15 AMD Advantage Edition for both CPU and GPU. And friend, it features a Ryzen 7 5800H CPU with 8 cores, 16 threads and Radeon RX 6600M GPU. And friend, furthermore, it has a 15.6-inch panel with a refresh rate of 144Hz, allowing you to comfortably play games that require a fast display such as Battle Royale and FPS game. And friend, other notable features include DDR4 16GB memory, 512GB NVMe M.2 storage, Gigabit wired LAN, IEEE 802.11a, B, G and ACX wireless LAN, as well as Bluetooth 5.2 compatible network. And friend, the interface consists of USB 3.2 Gen.1 Type-Cx1, USB 3.2 Gen.1 Type-A*2, USB 2.0 HDMI 1, and headphone or mic combo jack 1. And the other battery has a capacity of 90 hours, 4 cells, 5675 MHz lithium-ion with external dimensions of 359 mm width, 259 mm depth, 23.95 mm height, and 2.35 kg weight. And friend, the Windows 11 Home is pre-installed on the OS, and friend, it costs roughly at $1100 USD. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.